Welcome back to Rocket Don't Stock It, and this is my review of the Air Max 98 OG Gundam. These were a return into a store that I happily picked up. I sort of slept on them on release day thinking they'd just sit around, but they're sold out. So we have the Gundams in hand, and there's not many differences between these and the original release in '98, and the main part about the men's pair, which sort of annoyed a few people, which was the original outsole hasn't been used. On the women's pair it's present, but on these it's just all black where it should be white in these gaps here, following up to the side. Okay, so comfort wise, these are much better than 97s, let's say. I much prefer 98s in terms of comfort. Then shape wise, sticking to the original shape. Materials, everything seems to be spot on in my opinion, down to the mesh. My pair never had anything out of place, luckily. I know Nike's notorious for their flaws in some pairs, but these are spot on. Shape is on point, details are on point, sole is not on point. It's kind of pissed me off, but yeah. This pair, yes, it looks great on foot. Depends on how you style them really. They go well with jeans, joggers. They go especially well with shorts. I see these coming out in summer a lot. In terms of wearing them, I reckon I'd wear them every now and then. I'd probably keep these as pristine as possible. But yeah, rock or stock, just comment below. What do you think? Would you wear these? Would you not wear these? Do you think they're dead? Do you think they're overhyped? On foot video after this. Thanks.